So hello everyone. As we know, venture capital is often a black box for the founders. Information is all over scatters and AI tools hallucinate. So that's why we thought of building FundingSense, which bridges the gap between startups and investors. So this is our basic landing page. As you can see, nothing special. It's a basic landing page. Now let's click on get started, or I already have a email. Let's sign up with this email itself. Let's click on signing. So this is our basic dashboard, and we have deployed the backend URL on render. So it might take around 50 seconds for the server to boot. So it might take time when you guys are testing. So this is our basic landing page. Let's come at this later. Let's click on new analysis. So let's click on new analysis. So let's click this is our startup. Let's put the sector as deep tech and AI. Funding stage, let us put as seed as of now. These are the different funding stages, that how much funding do they have as of now. Let's click on geography. Let's focus more on India, tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and let's put the report language as English itself. Now as soon as we click analyze funding fund, see, now this is our reasoning layer that we have built. So this triggers a multi-tier pipeline. So this isn't just generating text, it like fetches the information from the 2024 news and from our vector database, for which we have used a ChromaDB as our vector database. So as you can see here in the backend part, it's analyzing everything. It says it found 7 units. It fetched 7 real world evidence units, for which RAG pipeline is being used. RAG pipeline, which is retrieval augmented generation, is being used here. Now see, you got the result. Let's first focus on this fit score. This fit score basically tells us how much is it applicable. Like, the more the fit score, the proper your problem statement is of your startup. It also shows our confidence. As of now, this has low confidence. Like, you do not have that much of confidence in your startup. See, first of all, let's focus on these recommended investors part. These are the basically investors, that these are real investors. These are not fake investors. If you go on here, you'll find real venture capitalists here. It shows how many match it has according to your particular deep tech and AI and agriculture startup. These are all the startup. This is the main part, which is why this fits. This is what Gemini 2.0 comes in picture. This tells us why this is fit, because the Maharashtra government has launched this policy, because our main focus was on Maharashtra, right? Department of Agriculture, it all. Now considerations. Why? What problems can you face while fetching this? This is what, and this is the main part, which is the evidence repository. What all data did it find out? That's Maharashtra Unveils. So we can also visit this. If you visit this, you can see Maharashtra Unveils find out. So it fetches from, it's like scraping the internet. For each and every part, it's doing this. And if you go on view all evidence, we can find all. It fetched from a database. That's why it took time. These are all the data sets that it fetched. These are the regulations. It also has Intel repository in this. If you click on this, in my code, I added some mock data as well. As you can see, one second, in this data, this analysis.json. This is all the mock data, and it also has PDFs. So it's like using chunks. It's like fetching all these information from the database. So as of now, it doesn't have any of the evidences for this particular problem statement. The next is our Q&A session. So let's select our startup from here, which we had talk. Let's type it. Suggest 3 things I should change. Let's click on enter. So it's running the deep tech AI from the Gemini AI itself. As you can see, sending live search request to Gemini. Let's wait for it. It takes time because it's fetching from the internet, as Gemini can be slow sometimes. It got the information, it fetched real world units. Now it should show here in a proper format. As you can see, pitch desk, it highlights all the solutions and all it gave. As we asked for 3 things that should be changed, it gave the 3 things as well. So this was our, it can also talk in Hindi or any Tamil language as well. Let's click on language settings. Let's as of now move to Tamil. As you can see, everything changed. We can even change the report language here. And this is the settings part, which is the super base connection and all. Let's go on dashboard, and you can see in dashboard, now it should be updated. 1 second. Yeah, it got updated. This is the 2 minutes ago that we had chat. 50%, it has low confidence rate. So this is our dashboard fetching everything. So we had implemented RAG pipeline in this. And also, as you can see, orchestrator, which is 3 steps, which is retrieval, validation, and generation, for which we have implemented in our code. It also has a RSG pipeline, as I told, which retrieves all the information from the data from the real scraping part. So this was our whole project. So hope you liked it.